This is Scott from the Living Life Travel Channel, and I'm reviewing our food on a 15-day cruise from San Francisco to Hawaii and back on board Princess Cruise Lines. We were on a ship called the Grand Princess, which is a really nice ship, and had a great time, and we thought the food was excellent. This is our anytime dining option down in the Michelangelo dining room, and we had a table for two. This is the head maitre d' for the entire ship greeted us. And he also put on a really good cooking demonstration later in the cruise. We had a beautiful table for two, and you can choose to sit with other people or have your own table, whatever you'd like to do. They'll always ask you at the anytime dining as you walk in which one you would prefer. It's a typical night's menu. And you have a choice. You could have just an entree or just an appetizer or even a 4 or even a 5-course dinner, whatever you'd like to do. And if you have any type of an allergy, they'll take good care of you too. So the service was just excellent through the entire cruise, especially for dining. Really good wait staff. This is a typical 4-course dinner that we had.
Good.
And there's quite a variety on the menu, so you never would get bored. Super good appetizers. It's our second night, another delicious meal. We tended to walk up the stairs every time we went up the stairs, or every time we had to go higher up on the ship, so we actually didn't gain any weight. We both lost a tiny bit of weight on the cruise, even though we ate a lot. It's really good. This is the dessert menu. They'll present this to you each night after dinner. There's also a lot of good dessert wines. Any of the wines or alcohol, though, are extra.
Yeah.
This is Yalcin, who is our head waiter, and he would come and check on us often twice a day and make sure that we had gluten-free options, which was important for our diet. But he was probably one of the best service people on the ship. Just took really good care of all the people he was in charge of.
Ice cream. It's supposed to be hot fudge.
Yeah, it's really good desserts. This was a chocolate soufflé.
You can have a hot fudge. Huh? I got a feeling it's not hot though.
And there's 3 different nights that you can dress up, formal nights. You don't have to, but I think it's kind of fun to wear a nice suit or a nice dress. And here's a New York cheesecake, which was excellent. This is the Horizon Court up on deck 12, and this is a buffet, and we would go there often for breakfast, and you can just get all kinds of great food, anything you want. This is a really fun afternoon tea where you sit down and they serve you tea and pastries.
Oh, very good.
You can do that every day if you'd like.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
These are some of the desserts that they offer at the Horizon Buffet Court up on deck 12. Just masterful desserts, really tasty, really good presentation. Here's some appetizers at the Horizon Court. This is the traditional lechon, the roasted pig. And they do that one of the nights on the cruise. And these are some of the dishes that you could get during the lunchtime on the Horizon Court buffet. A lot of variety, and it changes every day. They even have themes each day, like the lechon was for the Philippine-style food. They had Mexican-style food. They had Chinese-style, so many different cuisines. Here's my buffet lunch, just a big variety. I ate a lot of fish. It's really good. These are the Horizon Court dining times. They also have a really nice pizzeria on board where you can go and have pizza. There's also no charge for that. This is free breakfast in bed, you can order these items and they'll bring it to you in the morning. And they also have 3 specialty restaurants on board. It's about $29 per person that you can try. They have a crab shack, and they have a steak and lobster house, and they have Italian food. We didn't try any of those because the regular food was just so good. Baked salmon was excellent. This pork belly, really good. And then they have a master dessert chef who does these really good chocolate dishes. And for gluten-free option, tapioca pudding, some ceviche for an appetizer the next day, and another really cool chocolate dessert. There's plenty of bars on board where you can get drinks. All the alcohol and sodas are extra, but you can get special packages if you'd like to. I think the only alcohol we had was they do offer you at dinner a bottle of wine was only $5, so that was great.
We're going those doors right there, right?
And then the Horizon Court has really beautiful views. You're up on the 12th floor, 12th deck, and you're kind of midship, so the ship doesn't move around too much. Really nice. Here's a little thing they use to let you know when your table is ready for the anytime dining. If you get there after 8, though, it's no lines. Don't get there too late because then the waiters might get mad. I don't think they would, but they might. And this was some excellent lobster we had. They come around and they'll shell the lobster for you. Just super good service. Here's our head waiter again, Yalcine, taking good care of us, making sure that we have the gluten-free options. Another incredible dessert, really good chocolate desserts. And this is the menu from the Anytime Dining for breakfast. A lot of good options. We use the breakfast in bed and also the Horizon Court the most often. So we had an excellent time on the cruise, and a big part of that, I think, was the very good food and the very good service. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our travel channel when you get a chance. Thanks so much for watching.